baby polar bears. They're soft and white as can be. They spend all their day to swim and play. Polar bears are splendid to see. Vinko dances round baby bears. He's graceful and swift on his feet. He can teach the polars to dance as he. Our Vinko dance is so sweet. The polar bear has a shiny wet nose. He presses it up to the glass as he swims and plays with his frosty white friends.